So in previous lectures, we studied mathematical analysis of non-recursive algorithm and mathematical analysis of recursive algorithm. We discussed one example, that is a factorial. Now we are going to see one more important example under mathematical analysis of recursive algorithm. The second example is most important problem, Towers of Hanoi. Have you heard this one, Towers of Hanoi? It's one of the applications of stack. You already studied in data structures. There are many applications of stack. One of the application of stack is Towers of Hanoi. It's a classical example. It's a classic example of recursive algorithms. Classic examples of recursive algorithms. So here you have three pillars. A, B, C. Three pillars. So here you can have n number of disks. N number of disks. So the conditions are only the top disk, on any plate, any pillar or any plate may be moved to any other plate. Okay. The second condition is a large disk. Large disk should never rest on smaller one. This is the second condition. I will explain in detail while solving an example. These are the two steps. So now we are going to see one example. Total number of disks given. So number of disks, here we taken for example number of disk n is equal to 3. Okay. So here you have a 3 pillars or 3 plate. Okay. So from this pillars you have initially you have a number of disk from A. You may number it 1, 2 and 3. The A, B, C. This is a pillar or plate name A, B and C. 3 pillars. Here we take n number of disks. Here we take the n values equal to 3. In second step, so here the condition is only the top disk reside on the larger one. Okay. At a time you want to move only one disk from one pillar to another pillar. This large disk never reside on this smaller one. Okay, these are the two conditions. So based upon the two condition, here at a time we want to move only one disk. Again you draw for your convenient. So here this is A, B and C. So here at a time we want to move only one. We can't move the 2 and 3 before moving 1. So there is only one option. We want to move this plate 1 or disk 1. Okay. So here in the first move based upon algorithm, we move this one to the A to C using B as auxiliary. So here we planned to move 1 So using B as axillary. So here I move the disc 1 here. So in the third step I show in a step by step manner. Okay, it's a puzzle problem. Okay, now 3 here. After the second step, the disc will be like this, 2 3 in A and 1 here. In the next move I can't move to C, because you can't reside the bigger one in a smallest one. Okay, so I am planned to move to the disc number 2 to B. This is 2, this is 1 here. Okay, so the concept is finally the same will be moved to destination. This will be considered as a source. After possible moves, I want to shift all these 3 into the C in the same order, 1 2 3. Okay. So now what is the procedure next? Using B as axillary, I am using A as axillary. I move to the C, the plate 1 to 1 above the 2. The fourth step. Okay, then what is the next one? I moved these two here. Next I am going to move A to C using B as axillary. Okay, in step 6, in the previous steps we moved this disc from A to C. Now we have a plan to move one, that is disc 1 from B to A. Okay, in 7th step, so there is no choice. Okay, this is A, B, C. Here there is a big larger plate. I am planned to move this 2 above the 3. Okay, in the last step, there is no more moves. Directly move A to C. That is 3 2 1. Okay, this is the solution for moving 3 discs from A to C. Okay, so this is the problem. I'm going to state a solution for this problem. I'm going to write an algorithm for towers of canine. Algorithm towers of canine n comma A comma C comma B, because n is a number of discs. A, B, C are the pillars. Here first step I move to A to C using B as axillary. If any number of discs, you can use the same order, moving A to C, B as axillary, so that I am passing this order. If n equal to 1, then if n is equal to 1 means no need of moving further. Okay, no need of, you can directly move from A to C, that's enough. Okay, write the pillar from A to C. Okay, then return. No need of continuing this process, you can stop this process. Then else if n is not equal to 1, n is greater than 1, you going to perform recursive operation towers of Hanoi. Here the function name is towers of Hanoi, so it's a recursive call towers of Hanoi comma n minus 1 moves, that is n minus 1 disk from A to B using C as auxiliary. This is the first one. Another second step is moving remaining disk from A to C, then n minus 1, moving n minus 1 disk from B to C using A as auxiliary. These are the two important steps. Okay, so from the first step, you can see we already solved the first step. Here, see A to B using C as A to C using B as auxiliary. Okay. Then using A to B and C as auxiliary. Here you can take either A or C as an auxiliary or an intermediate one. Okay, so that we write the algorithm like this. Okay. Next, we are going to see the mathematical analysis of an algorithm in the next video.